Hi, I'm Moon Biscuit,
I am Super Graffiti.
and this, if you couldn't tell already, is Ratchet and Clank.
Yay. Moon Biscuit left in all the menus, apparently.
You like menus?
I love menus.
It's the only time we get to speak for the beginning cutscene.
Yep. So
Like this one!
Final step, attach robotic ignition system. Thank you for using help desk technology.
So, like, they're a factory that makes these robots of a certain type, and I guess there was a glitch. So the factory accidentally built a robot of a completely different type. Is that
That's the most boring thing you could have possibly said.
is that what happened?
Yeah.
Well, that's just unrealistic.
Little robot rebels. Anyway, I guess, this is Ratchet, main character that you play the whole game as. And yeah, that's the signature weapon is a wrench, which you can jump and hit. You can hit stuff. You break.
This is much better.
Fuck you! You put me off with your boring ramble. Basically, the main part of this game is to blow shit up, hit stuff, and collect bolts. And bolts are money, and you use it to buy stuff.
Why would bolts be money?
You could put it in a bank, I guess. I don't know. Because everything's made of robots.
Do you use the bolts to build things?
No, you use bolts to pay people.
Well,
Bolts are just currency. You
okay.
get nuts as well.
Oh,
Nuts and bolts.
right.
That's all we use.
Cool. I guess.
You've lost quite a lot. You've lost a lot of energy already.
Why do these monsters have nuts and bolts? What use would they possibly have for them?
Maybe they went out to buy a loaf of bread to feed their family. And they're like, oh no, here comes a Lombax.
just running-
I'll go chomp him.
They're just running in circles.
They're pretty dumb. The little ones take one hit, and
They're making no
They mainly-
effort to buy bread for anyone.
there's a bread shop just directly behind you. It's actually the cameraman. He also sells bread. He's like one of those guys at football stadiums that carries around trays of pies.
Okay.
You know, they sell rattles.
Yeah.
You've been to at least one football game.
I've never been to a football game.
You've been to at least two.
Oh, okay.
I've been to at least two. I have
Really?
no idea why. I hate football.
Yeah, I can't stand it. It's like that stereotypes, I guess.
Yeah, it's the first weapon you get as a freebie. It's the bomb glove, which, a surprise, is a glove that lets you throw bombs.
Oh, really?
This is a really boring first level.
It's fine.
Hey, play our game.
The game gets more exciting, probably.
Even the next level's more exciting.
Did I play this one?
Probably.
I haven't played all.
It's good. It's just not as good as any of the other ones.
No, 2 and 3 are.
But it's
pretty
number
kick
ones,
ass.
so you got to start with it.
Yeah, I guess.
I didn't really want to, but you made me.
We could just like put a link to the volcano stars on the scene.
No, this is my LP. I made this LP.
Okay.
You don't do anything. You just go from A to
Smash
B.
some boxes.
You go from rocket
Pretty-
ship to
it's a
tiny
pretty
robot.
Acceptable first level of a game.
It's not even a good tutorial. It told you 2 things.
Yeah,
You go
but
to
you
the next
figure it
level and
out.
it'll tell you how to use the camera.
You
Good
fi-
going.
You figure it out, and that's.
Uh-oh. Abrupt end.
Oh no.
Interesting.
Yay!
You're quite handy with your wrench.
You bet. I built that ship with it.
Currently, I'm in search of someone who could be of assistance in saving the solar system. Do you know where I might find that fellow?
Well, he's on the radio every week. Other than that, no. Hey, what's with all this save the solar system stuff anyway?
Hello, citizens of... My race, the Blog, have a small problem. Our planet has become so polluted, overpopulated, and poisonous that we are no longer able to dwell here. But I, Chairman Drek, have a solution. We are constructing a pristine new world using the choicest planetary components available. So, what does this mean to you, you might ask? Using highly sophisticated technology, which you couldn't possibly understand, we will be extracting a large portion of your planet and adding it to our new one. Unfortunately, this change in mass will cause your planet to spin out of control and drift into the sun, where it will explode into a flaming ball of gas. But, of course, sacrifices must be made. Thank you for your cooperation.
Cut!
And if you don't like it, you can take your whiny, sniveling, snot-nosed populations, form a line behind me, and kiss my... We're still on? Well, turn it off, you idiot!
The people on those planets are hosed. Well, good luck getting Captain Quark to help you.
Actually, you could help me. If you could use your ship to take me to the coordinates contained in this infobot, I might be able to gather further information there.
Even if I wanted to, I can't. I'm missing a crucial component of the ship.
The robotic ignition system.
How did you know that?
I, sir, happen to be equipped with the latest in robotic ignition systems. My programming allows me to start any ship I choose.
So, I agree to take you to this wherever it is, and you get my ship started for me?
That is what I'm proposing.
Deal.
This could be a problem. Take care of it.
Whoa, this is great! So that's where I've been stuck this whole time.
Please return your appendages to the steering mechanism, sir.
Huh? Oh, right. Sorry. Oh, and by the way, you can stop calling me sir. The name's Ratchet.
Pleased to make your acquaintance, sir.
You got a name?
My serial number is V54296.
Oops. I'll just call you Clank for short. Hang on.
So you see, it would be most beneficial if your citizens were not in the city when my workers begin removing it.
Preposterous! I will not stand for this.
Unfortunately, you have no choice in the matter.
Let's just see what Captain Quark has to say about that, my good man. I don't see what's so funny. Captain Quark could dispatch you without even breaking a sweat, you puny...
You have now officially worn out your welcome and my patience.
This is your last chance. Stop this madness now!
Okay, wait. You're right. I will withdraw my troops.
Really?
No! He's all yours, gentlemen. Try not to leave any marks.